Hey everybody, it's me, Mystique. Summer's live in action for you. It's a long-awaited tutorial that I promised y'all I was gonna do. Was my sorry if I'm looking like over here. My eyes are shining over here because my screen is over here and my webcam is in front of me. So it's my first time using my cam. So hopefully the quality is great. But some people asked me about my normal look. I've been doing on Thursday nights. Was my pretty much real soft, real girl-ish, real girl touching on the side of drag-ish type of look. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So first, this is part one. It's not going to be that long of series. So this is part one. I'm going to fill in my brows. I'm using this Wet n Wild by Fergie On Edge Longwear Eye Pencil. It's in Space Cake. You can see, let's see. It's in Space Cake. It's like a nice pretty brownish color. Let me move the camera out of the light. So this is quick. You need this, some concealer, a brush. This is gonna be and also an angle brush. This is gonna be the quick, simple, and easy. Now, because I have the camera right here, I'm like one of the people that can't see. I gotta be all up in the mirrors and all that big shit. So what you're gonna do first? You're gonna start. You're gonna make your shape. Well, first, make sure your eyebrows are all nice and clean. The hair is going the same exact way. See if I can find my spoolie brush. Okay. My brows are already cleaned off with all the excess alcohol. I clean it with alcohol to get all the oil and stuff out. So, what I do with the brush, I'm gonna just start at the bottom, and I'm just gonna trace it in, and then I'm gonna make my tail. So boom, done. So now what I'm gonna do, tracing at the top. Same thing. Tail, boom. Now I'm going to go in with my angle brush. So now, all I'm going to do is flick up and flick in. Up and in. Just to blend all the hair in. My boss was like texting me saying I need to come to work. But it's my day off, so I told her I'll be here. But I said I got to do this tutorial first because, you know, I've been promising y'all a tutorial for a while now. So, all you gotta do, you keep filling it in. You don't gotta add any more product. Fill in to the way you like it. So now again, with the spoolie, just gonna go in. So now, some people will be like, "Oh, I'm done. This is cute. I'm finished. I'm finished." And again, these are the brows that I like to do on myself. So you can do it the way you know you like to do it. So now I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I am not going to give you what I call halo brows. No halo brows. No halo. So, again, like I said, with the lighting, if the lighting is weird, I'm testing out different lighting. Right now, I have my light that's above me off, and I just have my light that's in front of me and my light that's on the side of me. So now, I'm just going to go on with some concealer. With this concealer, I'm just going to clean it up to the way I like to have it clean. So I'm just going to go in. So boom, I have that. Pick up a little bit more concealer. I'm going to go here. Then I'm going to angle down. Don't worry if you mess up because, you know, it's makeup. Makeup is alright. You can easily fix it. So I'm going to go here, then cut down. Like if you can tell here, I kind of messed up a little bit where I went in, so I'm just gonna go in with my angle brush again and just fill in. So now with that filled in, as you can see, do I have it the way I want it? If you don't have it the way you want, all you gotta do is just go in with a little bit more pencil. Now, once you have that filled in, that's it. You just want to clean everything up. So now, like the top, you have the top. You don't look like these people that just have, you know, just go outside and be like, ooh, yeah. You gotta go with your brush. What I do, I'm gonna smear it all the way up. You can say blend, I say smear. Now, once I have it smeared up like this, go with my finger, and I'm just gonna press in and go up. Now, mind you, I have no foundation, no concealer on, no nothing. I have nothing on my face. So I'm just gonna pretty much blend that all the way out. So whenever you put your foundation on, it's not clockable. And again, you may have to fill, like, clean up a little spots, but it's makeup. That's what you're supposed to do. So now, what I do, I just go in, blend down, and blend down. And again, I'm looking, I don't like the way my brow is right now. So all I'm going to do, get a little bit more concealer, and we're going to fix it. I'm using a totally different brush than I'm normally using, because I have the Chanel angle brush that I use to do this, but it's at the bar, which is fine. And for everybody that know me, I love a good old sharp brow. A good old nasty sharp brow. Get my spoolie again. Blend that part. Just good old shape, good old nasty brow. As you can see. Now blend all that out. What I just did was wipe off all the excess that I had on this brush. So when I blend it out, I'm not blending more and more product. So now when it comes down to your eye, I'm going to put a little bit more concealer, because we're about to start working here now. This might be a 15-minute video, I hope, or shorter. So I'm going to start working here. So right now I'm just coloring, well, pretty much putting concealer all on my highlight area, my brow highlight. So once I get here, I'm going to use my finger, and I'm just going to blend it. Tabby, 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 what I used to say, dabba, dabba, dab. I'm just going to dab it all around. And that's all what you want to do. You want to dab it all around. Up here, you want to smear it all out so you don't have it all on. Dabba, dabba, dabba. Now, put that brush down. For my brow highlights, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Natural Eyes. And the color I'm going to be using is... I'll try with the Day. I'm going to use Heaven, which is that one right there. So all I'm going to do is put some Heaven on the brush. And I'm just going to glide it on. Glide and dab. I glide, and then I start dabbing. Start dabbing. I want to dab the color in. And again, you may see that line that's right there. All you gotta do is go with your finger, blend that line out, you'll be fine. Now, dab it all in. All you're doing is cleaning it all up. Wherever you have the concealer, or you can use your, if you use concealer or eye primer or anything. What I do, I use concealer for up here, and then I may use primer down here. Now, when I have that done, I'm just going to get a blending brush. Okay, get a blending brush. I'm going to start off using Cashmere Bunny. Like I said, it's from the same palette. Now from there, I'm just going to start dabbing. like dabbing into your crease area. You're gonna just dab. I dab. Once I get done dabbing, I'll start going, windshield wiper motion. Once I have it to the darkness that I want, because I don't want it too dark right now, as you can see. Like I said, I'm going to dab up. You can see my eye getting, my lid moving up. I'm just dabbing up. Everybody's messaging me on Facebook. Oh, also shout out to Martha's Vineyard. They had me there for Springfield Pride, me, Big Dick Bitch, and Trinity K. Bonet. It was a blast. Can't wait to come back. I'm back in like September. So if you want me at your club, I'll have all the information below. Because 3 Queen Management is gonna run this world. Now back to the scheduled program. I'm just gonna